But when you take part, we are also observing what kind of person you are in terms of your behavior. So you must have your goodwill, you must remain cheerful, and at the same time give ideas. When we look at your ideas, then you tell me, friends, should the idea be just talking something which is frivolous, or should the ideas be related to what the topic was given for and how you are contributing in each task?
Now, Mukherjee, if we can talk about a little about the process as far the GT is concerned.
The GTO technique, my dear friends, is all about observing your displayed qualities. In terms of what? First is your abstract thinking. That is your ability to apply, to express your concepts, make new plans, etc. Other side, the ability to understand the situation and apply your knowledge to solve it. So there is the abstract part and there is the practical part in every single task. Now, if we look at the overall context and how the group tasking technique is placed, it is purely based on your karma, that is the action part. Whereas the other two techniques, one is looking into your mind, that is Mancha, and the interview technique is based on the Vachan. That is through your Vachan, what is coming out from you, how your mind works. So here we are looking at how your mind works, how your personality is, based on what type of ideas you express, and also how you apply those ideas. So now there are a total of 9 tasks in the GTO technique. But all 9, if we see in the overall level, every single task has its own importance. So it is not that one is of less and one is of more. But at the same time, if you feel that you may not have performed well in one particular task, the system does give you a chance to come up in the next one. So first of all, when you start off with a task in the GTO ground and you are in a task of verbal nature, maybe, you may not have been prominent in the group discussions, but at least you can take part a bit more and express your ideas in the planning exercise. At least you can try and give a lecture which is of value. So then you are naturally showing that you have the ability to speak and give your ideas. First of all, there are other qualities which come out also. So remember, every task is of importance and every task also gives you a chance to bounce back. I'll give you a simple example. If you look at the first 4 tasks, these tasks at the end of which the GTO gets a broad idea of how and where are the qualities in terms of your personality. So, but if we see from your point of view as a candidate, it would be the performers and the non-performers. That is how the group starts getting broken up into. If you see the individual group discussion, you must know that you are here for a discussion, not a debate. First of all, it's not a debate. You're not going to be the only person to speak. Others are also going to have equal chance. They've also come for the SSB. And it's an easy game because here there are no fixed kind of barriers except for the leads which are given in the group discussion. That is all that you have to remember. But when you take part, we are also observing what kind of person you are in terms of your behavior. So you must have your goodwill, you must remain cheerful, and at the same time give ideas. When we look at your ideas, then you tell me, friends, should the idea be just talking something which is frivolous, or should the ideas be related to what the topic was given for and how you are contributing in each task? So now I come to this very important thing for the GTO system is that we are seeing how effective you are in each task. That means whatever was the task given to the group, first of all, how each candidate contributed towards the task. Whether it is a task of verbal nature, that is group discussion, whether it is a task of practical nature like progressive group task. We are looking at your contribution. And while making this contribution, or maybe you don't, we are always observing your behavior.